All right, Carter. So what's going on today?
We're at the Irvine Park pumpkin patch.
Irvine Park Railroad. So you have tractor rides. We saw a train, and here's a hay maze. Do you want to go through the hay maze?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I'll follow you. Go, go, go. And it's Pokemon Go Community Day.
Yeah, but it's not, and it starts at 11.
So you got your lucky Pokemon hat on.
Yeah. I always wear it.
All right, which way you want to go, Carter? Which way are you thinking?
Oh,
Nope, not that way. Hey, Preston! Are you following me? Hey, Preston, go that way. Let's go this way. We'll meet up with him. Hey!
Preston.
I'm gonna go this way.
Alright, let's enjoy Isabella.
We made it! How many pumpkins there are?
So you're gonna try and hit
You gotta bounce it off the pumpkin and into the basket, okay? Oh! Throw it softer. Well, you made it in the basket.
What price do you want?
The pumpkin man?
There you go.
Cool, good job. Try to bounce it so it's soft and bounce it off the pumpkin. Oh, that was close.
They keep popping out.
Oh, almost. Good try, bud. Good job. Let me see your prize. Cool. Let me see your prize, Preston. Look at that big old pumpkin, Carter.
You could carve a million faces on that one, right?
That's the second place winner. Where's the first place winner? 1,283 pounds.
We never found the first place winner. Carter Corner Factoid! Did you know as of October 9th, 2016, the world record for the heaviest pumpkin is approximately 2,625 pounds. The pumpkin was grown by Matthias Willemans in Germany.
Look at your hat, how it's glowing.
Oh, your hat's glowing, huh?
Wow, this place
Look at what the witches are making.
is...
They're brewing some potion.
Oh, look at these. They change faces like in the Haunted Mansion.
He's in jail. He must have been a bad guy. Get locked up in jail, huh? Look at this guy. He needs to go see Dr. Pimple Popper. Look at those little pigs. Oh, they got markers. There's some glue, some pipe washers, some googly eyes, little pom-poms, lots of fun stuff. It's a pretty cool pumpkin with a spider top. Spooky.
Meanwhile,
What are we doing, guys? What are we gonna do now?
we're gonna go on a train.
On a train. And we're in the very back of the train, so we can see everything.
Yeah.
This is a long, long train. Goes all the way around.
The Windows benefit is
All
that
right,
the
here
tickets
we
for train
go.
are sold online only. You get the
The Irvine Park Railroad takes visitors on a train ride through Irvine Regional Park.
Wow, look at the tunnel.
And we've made it out of the tunnel.
Did we go through that tunnel?
Into the train station this time. A good rest of your day here at Irvine Park Railroad Pumpkin Patch.